Hi everybody, it's Sandy. We're going to do a large swipe painting today. The last swipe one, or not, sorry, not a swipe, a dip. The last dip one I did, which was this one here, everybody has been commenting and loving, and they've asked me to do a larger one. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to do a large dip. So I have a 10 by 20 canvas in front of me with white acrylic on it. Going to give it a quick torch, get some of the bubbles out, and then this canvas is going to go off to the side for a couple minutes while we lay some paint down on the plastic tablecloth I have down here for our design to start taking shape. So let's move this guy over. Now I have a bit of a frame of the white paint from pouring on here, which is perfect for me to know what area I want to keep my paint in. And I like to have a little bit more of a negative space, meaning white in the corners more and the color in the center. So that's what I'm going to shoot for this time instead of color all over. Will it work? I don't know. Let's find out. I don't know if any of you have had a chance to see the jellyfish I did. I just absolutely love it. The jellyfish turned out better than I could have expected. And I guess it's to everybody's taste because it is a black and white kind of pearl color. But the jellyfish just to me looks amazing. Alright, so we're going to add some white in here just to make sure I got enough in there. And then I'm going to do some evergreen wherever I think I might want to have some dark green in there. And then with that dark green I'm going to do some mint green. And this should be a fairly quick video as well, as long as I can get the cap off. Doesn't take very long to do these kind of paintings, which is really nice. And they turn out to be beautiful works of art. As everything that we do here turns out beautiful. Except I can never get these caps off. There we go. I gotta practice that more, don't I? And this one was the chartreuse. Yeah, chartreuse green. Chartreuse. I'm not sure how you say that. All right, now colors. I have a new one, which is called Majesty. It's a pretty purple. I'm gonna try that one. Maybe a little bit down here too. Okay. Then I got some more of my deep purple. I think it's called raisin purple. I threw the bottle away, so I couldn't tell you if no, it's grape purple. That's what it's called, grape purple. All right. Then we got blues. This one is called Persian blue. Brand new one I just got. Let's see if we like this guy. Oh, he's very close to a bright blue. Similar. Okay. And then the other one I just mixed up is called Sugar Plum, which is a kind of a navy and purple mixture. Yeah, it's definitely a very dark purple. Okay, do I have enough green in there? I think I'm going to add a little bit up the middle. And we're going to call it one more green. Which green should I do? I'm going to do the mint green. There we go. Alrighty, let's see how this masterpiece turns out. So I'm going to take the white canvas that we already have the paint on, and I'm going to put it right in line with my markings. I'm going to take my scraper and try not to move the canvas too much and press down. I'm thinking this one's going to be a beautiful one. Just a lucky guess. Okay. Now last time I had enough paint down here to do 2 paintings. Let's see if I did a little better on the guesstimating this time. I'm just going to press on the corners just in case there's any spillage out there and we can pick it up. But I think I did pretty good with staying in the lines this time. And I'm going to pull it from the top and hold the bottom down. You're going to see it before me. There we go. Masterpiece of the day, and it took us all of 5 minutes. I might add a little bit of leaf definition at the bottom. I'm not sure yet. I got to take a look and see. But even my table's got a masterpiece. I might have to do something with that. It looks awesome though. There we go. Thanks very much for watching, everybody.